Hey, this is Larry Powell, and I got this quick video together for you outlining how you can dump Home Advisor and start generating some leads on your own. I wanted to show you a quick example of a website that's kind of a more, I guess a better way to describe it would be your lead generation machine. This is his website. I recently finished up for a company here in the last couple of weeks. We're in the process now of getting ranked and generating leads for them. The reason I wanted to show you this site is just because there's a couple key components that we really build into all of our websites to make sure that they not only convert customers, so once people are getting to your site that they're converting into actual customers, they're not just clicks, but also with rankings in Google and getting those leads coming in that way. So looking at this site, making sure that they're mobile friendly is very important. A lot of consumers are doing searches from their mobile devices, so making sure that this shows up on mobile devices well is definitely going to help you with your conversions. Click to calls are also going to be very important. So people can click on these phone numbers from their computers or their cell phones, and that'll automatically connect with your business. Having a contact form up here near the top of the page is also going to really help with your conversions. I know me personally as a consumer, when I'm getting a hold of somebody to come do a service at my house, I'm going to go to that business that can get out there the fastest. And if I have to search around your website to find your contact form, chances are I'm not going to be asking you to come out and give me a quote. The last thing that really helps with your rankings in Google and really getting these leads coming in is the amount of content you have on this site. Google looks at over 200 different ranking factors, determining which website has that top spot, and content is one of the biggest ones that we can influence. We really strive to hit right around 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage, sometimes even more than that, depending on what your competition has, because we really want to beat our competition out in every way possible. With that, you also want to make sure you have the search terms you want to be found for on this homepage. So this one is roofing Cape Coral. This is one of our main search terms for this business. So we're making sure that we're having that very visible, so Google, when they're scrolling through this site, they can see that and know that's something we're trying to rank for, and we'll get pulled up in the search results for that once this site does rank. But overall, these sites are very customized as far as what you're needing for your business. Obviously, you're not doing roofing, but all the different services you're offering and stuff like that, all that stuff can be included on these websites. So looking at keywords, this is just what I was able to find in a short amount of time. Savannah, Georgia, we definitely found some good search volume there, decent search volume, we'll say, for people looking for the services you're offering from Savannah. So window replacement, Savannah, Georgia is getting 50 searches a month. Replacement windows, Savannah, 20. Doors, Savannah, 10. So being in the top spot for all of these, you can count on getting 33% of all that search volume. So you're looking at 20 people a month coming to your guys' website just off these three search terms, looking for the services you're offering. So what we're going to do today is look at window replacement, Savannah, Georgia. We're going to look at the top businesses on Google search for this search term and what you would have to do to pass them up in Google search to have those leads headed to your business instead of theirs. So looking at the search results here, first off, we're going to be looking at the Google My Business, or GMB. This is very valuable territory for your business. This is the first thing people are seeing when they're going onto these Google searches. And so it's obviously the best spot for your business to be. There's a couple of different factors for how you get your business into this. The first one is what's known as citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great sources you can find for citations would be like websites like Yellow Pages or even Facebook if you list that information. And actually backtrack just a little bit. Getting that GMB built out is going to be the first step for your business. That's Google My Business. So there's that's going to be the first step for getting you guys into this. Then the citations is to come as far as getting you into this top three, because you can see that there's a lot of businesses in here, and you want to be in that top three if you're going to be found for that. So there's 20 on a page, there's 3 pages. So the next one is going to be organic rankings. So where your business sits organically in these search results is going to play a lot of weight if you're going to be in this top 3. So right now, you're getting leads from Home Advisor. They're right here in this top spot. Google really prefers to rank the small business owner over large national directory sites or pay-per-lead sites like HomeAdvisor, because these guys are direct competitors with Google paid ads. So you can see here's a Google paid ad. Usually you see these up at the top as well above the GMB. So you know they're direct competition. So as long as you're building out a site that kind of follows the Google rule book as far as, you know, relevant content that's really informative to your viewers, you're doing crossing all your T's and dotting all your I's, your website will rank above HomeAdvisor 9 out of 10 times. So that's going to be, you know, not really included in this competition. Looking at Savanah, Windows, and more, we're going to look at their website and what they have going on. So they definitely have a nice looking site. I mean, they got the click to calls. Not a lot of content on here. It's a pretty basic site. I mean, there's not really that much content at all. So if you were to go after that 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, you definitely pass these guys up. What we're going to look at now is the back end of the site. So this is kind of like the nitty gritty of what causes a website to rank aside from content. I know I said there's 200 different ranking factors, but this is another one of those big ones that we can influence for your company. What we're looking for here is backlinks. And backlinks, the best way to describe what a backlink is this is a link right here. So you're able to put links like this on other websites, preferably popular websites or high trust authority websites. And what you get is what's called backlink juice, or some of that popularity coming back to your website. And so, you know, for this company, they only have 203 backlinks, which really isn't that much. Very doable to pass these guys up for their backlinks. You know, and definitely drive you guys in those popular upvotes up in the search results and get you some new traffic headed your way. So if you're wanting to grow, take on more business, and really expand, this is definitely going to be a great first step in that process. We can look at other cities around Savanah too and do some more research on other search terms that we can get going for you. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. My cell phone number is 541-968-7159. Thank you very much.